Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I know it's been a little while since I've done one, but I needed to come out and get some extra parts for mine and another vehicle. So I figured I'm doing a walk around, and the camera, I apologize, I forgot to grab the little thing that goes around my GoPro so I can screw it to my little tripod. So I'm basically holding it with my 2 fingers and it's melting out here. But you do what you gotta do. But I'm gonna show you guys around. There's a whole bunch of new cars in here, and some of them are still here, which I'm pretty surprised. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a walk around and show you what there is at this, you know, it's one of those you pull it places. So I'm gonna walk you around and show you all the carnage. Whew, it's hot. And surprisingly, there is one vehicle here that is still here. You guys remember this one, this old Dodge Ram. It's still here. I mean, the weeds are growing up around it. I mean, the windshield's been broken out of it a little bit more. No one's taken any parts out of it. I mean, it's still here. Oh, wait a minute. I can't remember if the back half was on it or not. I cannot remember. But it looks like somebody has gone through this a little bit more. I mean, the last time I was here when I did this, this was late spring, and we are in August now, and it is hot. I mean, hot today. I mean, it's in the, you know, the high 80s. Humidity is way up there, and I'm walking around a junkyard with a GoPro and a backpack full of tools, and I am sweating my ass off. But this is what you do when you need a part and you want to film a video. With some of these vehicles, I mean, they're just gross, rusted to hell. I mean, and shockingly, I mean, this place is usually a little cleaner, but not right now. I mean, there's parts everywhere. And for all you Subaru guys, here you go. What year is it? It's an 02. I mean, but this is, you know, the typical things you find here in New York. I mean, they're always rotted out. Nothing left. Usually here they're smashed to hell or they're just rotted. Very rarely anybody just gets rid of it for no reason. Like this, you can tell somebody was trying to rock this thing to the bitter end. I mean, some of them, they've been stripped out pretty good. I mean, they literally just cut that whole front core support off of it. For what I have no idea, somebody probably needed one. Because these cars, this is the Malibu. Yeah, 2004. Yeah, usually there's just nothing left. You know, little Kia Sportage. Yeah, that looks safe. Yeah. I wouldn't crawl underneath this thing. And this one is naturally disgusting, like always. I mean, the things that people leave in their cars. I mean, when they get rid of them, it just turns into a garbage can on wheels. It's pretty disgusting. I mean, the back window's smashed out, and you can tell by the moss that's on the back seats. This has been sitting outside for quite a while before they decided to get rid of it. Yeah, I wouldn't try and climb into this car unless you necessarily really needed a part. But there's some vehicles here which I'm pretty surprised are even here. I mean, these Volkswagen Beetles, I mean, those things are a dime a dozen. And Toyotas. But there was one that I was walking in. I think it was like an old Ford Ranger, and it wasn't rotted out. It just faded. I mean, it wasn't all smashed up or nothing. Old Saab 3.0. I mean, like some people, I mean, the interiors are still good. I mean, this was a nice car at one point for a Saab. I mean, the interior is actually still in really good shape. Somebody needed the steering wheel and some stuff out of the dashboard, but other than that, I mean, it's a nice car. Was a nice car, should I say. Somebody's got something spray painted on the side of this one. Yeah, this one looks like it's seen better days. Let me try and get you a better angle. Yeah, I mean, it's junk all the way around too. And obviously that's hit from the outside, you can tell. Some people just smash stuff in here just for fun. I mean, like this thing, and looks like they picked it up with a forklift and dropped it on the ground. Yeah. I think they paint on people's cars. Oh, the classic Cadillacs with the very junk North Star motor. Anybody who knows these things, they're notorious for head gaskets. I mean, they were cool cars back in the day. A lot of people had them. I mean, they were nice. Interior still not bad. I mean, it's old AC Delco radio. Look at this thing. Old tape deck. Wow. I don't even know what year this is. Find out in a second, because they always put a sticker on it. It's a 94. Ooh. Man, it is hot. I'm melting. Sweating like crazy. And I'm cranky. Yeah, I don't care. Sometimes us guys, this is like our little happy place. We come to the junkyard. It's an old school leather seat. And usually they keep this place. Oh, that looks super safe. Look what somebody had done. They had put a catalytic converter on top of a spare and jacked it up and left it on there. There is no way in hell I would ever go underneath this truck. I could probably kick that out, and no, I'm not going to do it. Jeez. There's not much left. I mean, they are packing them in here now. I mean, some of them are just junk. How did that? I mean, the things that people do to their vehicles is insane. I'll try and find that one I was telling you. And out here, if it's not rotted out and the motor's blown, it's still gold. Oh, here's one. A friend of mine, Marty, actually has one of these. Old school Lincoln town car. Or is it? No, not a Lincoln. Where is it? No, it's like... No. Chevy 5th Avenue, 1985. For a distance there, it looked like an old school Lincoln, but it's not. God, I remember these. That's where that seat I just walked out of came out of. It was, right there. Somebody pulled it out and dragged it all the way over there for some reason. I mean, this is when they really built luxurious cars. I mean, that's a recliner on wheels. Big chrome grille. Man. And there's a lot of people here today picking out parts, melting. I mean, it is hot today. This is, you know, a little dangerous to be out in the sun, you know, for a long period of time. I wouldn't do it. Ooh, here's a good one. Hey, anybody need some sneakers? Yeah, they cut this whole rear quarter right off. It's an Excursion. It's a big truck. I would never want to feed it with gas. They are, you know, in the process of cleaning up today too. Man. Another Expedition right here. A lot of junk. Now these were nice back in the day. These Cherokees. Always liked those rims. And I wonder, oh, this is an Orvis edition too. You don't find a lot of these. all-wheel drive V8, and this will tell you that it's Norvis edition because it has the two-tone leather interior. I mean, you can tell this has gotten a lot of use out of it too. But these were really nice back in the day. I drove one of these ones and it is a monster. I mean, let's just see the reason why they got rid of it. I mean, it's not rotted out. Somebody cut out the... Probably get to the fuel pump or something, maybe. With a nice snazzy hat. Yeah, I mean, it's... And this is a 1996. Yeah, for Norris edition, I mean, it's... I'm surprised somebody didn't try and save it. Oh. Man, it's hot. I don't know how long I'm going to be out here because it is really, really hot. Let's see if I can find that one I was telling you guys about. So usually they don't have the cars out this far. Before they used to have campers and boats and things like that right here. But they've done away with it and they stuck them on the other side. But now they're extending the lines out really, really far. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Saab station wagon. Yeah, it's a Chevy S10 pickup with a cab. Try and get over there as fast as I can, but I'm not running in this yard. It's too hot. I mean, I feel bad for the guys. They got to work out here being this hot. No way. So, little Ford Ranger. No year on it. Stick shift. Ooh, it is hot in here. Little jump seats in the back. Read the mileage. Can't really read the mileage. Maybe the frame rotted out. Oh, what year? 93. Yeah, I mean, it's... I mean, the bed's gonna be rotted out. That's a given. I mean, the frame is actually pretty clean for New York. I mean, the exhaust on it, I mean, it looks like somebody tried keeping it up. But, unfortunately, it is minute doom here. Whew. Alright, guys. I'm going to cut this one here because it's hot. I'm going to get in somewhere where it's cool with this AC. In the meantime, share, like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.